for decoration or do they have different functions?
Mainly it's for aesthetic purposes because it's the material itself that offers the acoustic.
So the number and size of holes doesn't make
It
any
doesn't
difference?
really matter. We're very close with engineers and architects, and that way we like to get the most out of you and they can get the most out of us.
So what did the £60 per canopy, somebody said, what was that?
Oh, that's the weight of the product.
Oh, £60
£60,
weight,
yeah.
right. We're not metric yet, are we?
Slight unit conversion there. I forgot to do.
Right, okay.
So what would the all-in price per square metre be
Yes.
for, say, a ceiling panel?
It averages about £40, 40 to £55 per square metre.
That was just to buy it though, was that?
Yeah.
What about the suspension system and the fixing?
We charge installation. It's average about £10 to £15 per square metre for installation of each panel.
And the price for supply includes in effect, a suspended ceiling to fix it too?
Yeah.
Oh, or some hanger system. What's it like fitting lighting into it?
You can see it's similar to this, it diffuses the light and the lighting can sit behind the panels, it hides all the surfaces.
So it goes in a grid system like this?
Yeah.
And colours, I just can't quite see behind you. What are these colours then?
These are the choices of colours that are available for our customers. Orange, which is our company motif.
But you can have any colour according
Yeah.
to your company.
These are just a few that we brought along today.
Right. Is that an extra to the cost?
No,
or is it-
that's a little bonus that we offer our clients.
Um,
Get the steel frame for nothing as well.
And you offer, you said the design service, is that right? You offer a design service?
Well, we offer a maintenance programme within the price, and that will depend on the scale of the project.
Presumably if it was an acoustic installation, you had to put it in a sound studio or something,
Yeah.
you would design that
Yeah, we would design that. Yeah.
rather than the architect?
Yeah,
You would
yeah.
come
I
to
mean,
you as a
that'd be down
specialist.
to a design technician. Yeah.
I mean, before we hand over any product, we fully test it to make sure it complies with any regulations, if it meets the needs that
Keep
the
it
client
like,
requires. So we try.
But with regards to the sound absorption, reflection, etc., sort of for if it was a concert hall for music as opposed to for speech, you do all the calculations as to what's required?
Yeah, that's closely done by me and the sound engineers back at our head office. We have all the U values. I had them with me somewhere. Yeah. This booklet basically explains all the U values and it has a load of technical drawings. So if you're interested in that, then
Right. Can I look at the wall sample again, please?
which one?
The
Sorry.
wall. You have to hand that back. You have to give this back.
Brings the light up.
No, I'll be, I've got a thing. Just to see
Can
what
you smoke it?
No, see, it doesn't.
Useless.
No, it's
Sorry,
good.
we can supply them that create a fire as well if you like.
Very good. No,
Very
excellent. Excellent, right. It's
If
okay.
you're into pyrotechnics.
I was just curious about the suppliers of your metals. You say that you have a source for where it's recycled metals,
Yeah.
and you have one supplier.
Yes.
Is there more information about them? Are they sort of, they seem to be an integral part of the whole
I
process?
mean, we work closely with other companies, try to turn be one of them. We try to, broaden our scope, so learn from other fields, learn from other companies, bring on board their research and combine it with ours.
No, but you were describing that you recycle metals
Yeah.
for these panels. I may have heard it wrong, but I was just curious about that sort of step.
Oh no, they are
before
100% recyclable afterwards.
Recyclable afterwards.
Yeah, so
And made from recycled material. So it's all sourced from a recycled plant.
Countries,
That's
countries like kind of Slovakia and like kind of Poland, they're known to be better at recycling and kind of like looking after waste than we are in England right at the moment. So most of the recycled metals come from over there, but we still any kind of like product that's used in England or any other country that needs to be recycled will be recycled. Even like as in our products at the moment, like any products that we give out to companies, they get recycled and they can be used. But where in England it's slowly and gradually becoming better, but in like kind of countries like Poland and Slovakia, they're already like kind of much more in advance, and that's where the recycling materials originally come from.
So the metal is recycled.
Yeah, the metal can be recycled after it's been used if there is any kind of
Right.
fault or anything, but that doesn't tend to usually happen because we are.
But you don't use recycled metal, is that right? The
Yeah.
metal that you buy is not
No, we use
recycled.
recycled metal as well.
What?
We do use recycled
metal.
metal.
You do?
Mm.
Right.
Who recycles it?
We get it from
you
a
presumably buying a sheet of, or various different sheets of.
yeah, it's from a company in Derbyshire called CDF Plant Limited, and they're a large recycle plant that supply what we source our materials from.
Just wondered which was the local bit of Derbyshire to Middlesex.
Right, it's sort of all central and central England.
Right. Any other questions? No? All right, thank you very much.